Welcome, Mora FC. I will appreciate your time being here. I will appreciate. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Click on the notification bell. Yep, I'm gonna teach you how to do this reversible bonnet. Yeah, you can turn it and wear it how you want it. Yep, just as simple. So let's get started. Yeah, you have to fold your fabric. You have to know the measurement that you're gonna use. You can use 10, you can use 11, you can use 12, you can use 13, 14, 15, 16, how you want it to be. Do you understand? So I'm using 13 and a half. That's what I'm gonna use. So I'm measuring my 13 and a half, fold it like that, and I fold it the second time to draw a 360 circle, a full circle. So I'm measuring my 13 and a half. So that top will be my point, and I just have to keep on tracing, marking my 13 and a half because I want a circle, a perfect circle. So I just go like that. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, comment, share, tell me what you think. We're doing it and we're doing it all the time. More videos to come. Subscribe, support this movement, comment so that more video will come. So after marking everything, you just have to trace it. Trace everything, then you cut it down. Tell a friend to tell a friend about this Mora FC. We're doing a lot of stuff. You don't have sewing machine, you better get one. Yeah, we're gonna cut the same pieces like this. You can go by the first step that we did, or you just have to get your fabric, the satin fabric, then you just have to put it on it and you pin around it, then you cut. Or you can do what we did the first time, fold it and just go around it, kind of. But this is going to make you fast, so you just have to put on it and pin around it, then you cut it. So simple. But don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment, don't forget to share, and don't forget to tell a friend about this channel. You know the feeling? Yeah. So we're gonna sew around it and leave 2 inches. Or you can leave 3 inches, or you can leave 4 inches. So we just did. We just sew around it and a ½ inch around it, and we leave 2 inches. You can see the space there. So we make a notch around it. Making this will help you when you flip it over, you iron it, it will make the circle come so beautifully. So we're flipping everything now. Don't forget to subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Give me a thumbs up. Click thumbs up. Click the notification bell and subscribe. After turning, after flipping everything up, then you give it a press. You iron it so beautifully. Yeah, the journey still goes. We have not finished yet. I'm checking where I left the space. So I'm just measuring 1.5. You can measure 2. You can measure 2.5. You can measure 3. It depends how you want it. That will depend how size the thing you want. If you want to measure 3, it depends how big you want to make it. To understand. So I just measure 1.5. So I just trace everything out. Hey, don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, comment and share. So I'm just marking. I want to know where I left my space. So I'm just drawing everything. This is how it looks like. Voila. So you have to take your tape, your elastic, know the circumference of your hair. Don't make it too tight, just make it flexible. You measure it, then you use the measurement of your tape, your elastic, then you just trace it like that. I always say you have to measure your elastic. If you want to fix elastic into a fabric, you have to measure it. So this is how we do. We go around it, we leave this space there, we just sew around back. The middle one, the circle in the middle, we go around it all. So you can see that I have sewn everything out. I'll go around it. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, like and share, comment. Tell me what you think. So we're gonna fix the elastic in. I always say you have to measure your elastic, get the actual size of the elastic. So when you are fixing it like this, it becomes very beautiful. So imagine if you measure 2 inches and you put this tiny skinny elastic inside, it will not look beautiful. So you just have to put it inside and you just Take your time fixing it. Hey, but don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up, like, share, comment. Click on notification bell. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend that hey, Mora FC is doing something. So let's come and support this guy. Yes, small YouTubers, support me. You understand what I mean. So after everything is coming out, so we just have to go by the machine and do zigzag. I like putting it on top on each other, so that I'll do my zigzag. Yeah, just like that, and I'll just even I just pull everything in. You see, we are done. This is how it is. Reversible bonnet. You can turn it, you can wear the inner, you can wear the outside one, how you want to wear it, the color that you prefer. You wear it, this is for you. Yeah, I'm done. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Click on the notification bell and like and share and like and share and comment. Like and share and comment. Hey, thank you for watching. I will appreciate your time. So the place that we left, you just have to go and close it. The space that we left, you have to close it. Hey, we have done. This is the bonnet. Thank you so much.